Hi students, so in this video we are going to start our unit 2 supplementary zigzag written by Asha Nehemia. So before entering into the supplementary, just we can see about the author and then we can continue the story. About the author, so the supplementary zigzag is written by a female author, Asha Nehemia. She was born in 1958 at Chennai, has lived, worked, studied in 8 different cities and towns, and is now resident of Bangalore. She has been interested in writing. Her love for reading led her to study literature in college. If she had not been a writer, she would have become a teacher. She would have been a teacher. Humor, fantasy, mystery, and adventure are the strong elements in her work. She loves baking, walking, reading, and traveling. So, Asha Nehemia was born in 1958 at Chennai. So, she was born at Chennai only, but she had lived, studied, and worked in 8 different cities and towns. So, now presently she is living in Bangalore. So, she is very interested in writing, and also she is very interested in reading also. So this only motivated her to study the literature in college. So if she had not become a writer, as now she is a writer, if she had not become a writer, she would have become a teacher. She would have become a teacher. Now she would have been a teacher, and she used to write humorous stories, like humorous means comic stories, and fantasy means which we can't able to think itself, that is an impossible thing which we can't able to imagine, impossible things. So that kind of stories, for a best example is Cinderella. So in the story of Cinderella, we can't able to imagine such a story. So that type of story is called as fantasy. Mystery means which we can't able to understand, அதாவது புதிர் போட்டுக்கிட்டே போகும் இல்லையா, that kind of stories is called as mystery. And adventure, சாகசங்கள் நிறைந்த ஸ்டோரிஸ்லாம் இருக்கும் இல்லையா, that is called as adventure stories. So these four are the strong element in her works. So these are the four strong elements in her work. And she loves to bake, walking, reading, and traveling. So these are the kinds of hobby for Asha Nehemia. So now we can continue the story. So let's see the character sketch of the supplementary and then move to the story. So the character sketch of the supplementary zigzag. So the main character is Mr. Ashok. So that is Dr. Ashok T. Krishnan. So he is a main character. He is a doctor, especially a child specialist. That is, we'll call as a pediatrician. No, the குழந்தைங்க டாக்டர்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா. So he is a child specialist. So Dr. Ashok T. Krishnan is the main character in this story. So next, Mrs. Ashok, she is an artist. That is, artist means we can call whoever, that is a painters, that is who's well in painting, who's well in dancing, singing, who's acting, all is for all the common name is artist. So especially she is artist in painting. So Maya is a daughter of Dr. Ashok, and Aravind is a son of Dr. Ashok. So they both are brothers and sister. Next, Somu is a Dr. Ashok's friend. So Somu is a Dr. Ashok's friend. So these 5 characters is only presented in this video. That is, we are going to see only a little bit of the story in today in this supplementary. So these 5 characters are playing the major role in the story. Now we can see the story. Zigzag, written by Asha Nehemiah. The family that shelters a new pet is totally taken up by the commotions it creates at home. Read on the story to find out there is a turn of events when they get to know the reality. So a family, so there is a family, that is Dr. Ashok's family. There is a family, they are sheltering. அதாவது shelter means அடைக்கலம். அதாவது they didn't buy a pet, ஓகேவா. Shelters a new pet is totally taken up by the commotions. Commotions means great confusion. So the meaning of commotion is great confusion. Try to underline and write the meanings wherever I'm uh, telling the meaning of the word. So commotions means very confusion. So they are sheltering a new pet, so that new pet is creating lot of confusion in that home. So we are going to read about the story, and we are going to find out the events that happen in the reality of this story. So now we can enter into the story. Now we can enter into the story. Dr. Ashok's T. Krishnan's clinic usually sounded more than an ancient Chinese torture chamber than a child specialist clinic. This was because the tiny children who were his patients left out a variety of blood curdling yells and ear splitting shouts. So, Dr. Ashok's T. Krishnan's clinic. So this Dr. Ashok child specialist, no, he is running a clinic. So he is running a clinic. So he is a doctor. So they used to run a clinic, right? So he is running a clinic. Usually the clinic will be more noisy. So how they have represented, usually sounded more. So it is always be very noisy. The clinic will be very noisy than like more like so எது மாதிரி இருக்கும்னா more like means எது மாதிரி இருக்கும்னா an ancient. So ancient, the meaning of ancient is old. So an ancient Chinese torture chamber. So Chinese torture chamber means in olden days where the thief and all used to be tortured in a room. அதாவது ஜெயில் மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். In olden days torture chamber means it will be in underground, and there will be no any windows. It will be very dark, and they'll use to torture the persons to get the truth from their mouth. So that kind of a room is called as a torture chamber. So Dr. Ashok's Krishnan's clinic will be always more sound, more noisy. How it will be means like a Chinese torture chamber than a child specialist clinic. ஸோ இதில் வந்துட்டு சைனீஸ் டார்ச்சர் சேம்பரா இல்லை ஒரு சைல்டு ஸ்பெஷலிஸ்ட் கிளினிக்கானே கண்டுபிடிக்காத முடியாத அளவுக்கு அவ்வளோ நாய்ஸியாக இருக்குமா. அவ்வளோ வந்துட்டு விண்டோலெஸ் எதுவுமே இருக்காது. அவ்வளோ டார்ச்சர் பண்ணுற மாதிரி அந்த சேம்பர் வந்துட்டு அந்த கிளினிக் வந்துட்டு ப்ரெசண்ட் ஆகிருக்குமா. This was because the tiny children who were his patients left out a variety of blood curdling yells and ear splitting shouts. Why this much of sound means the tiny little children are there, no, who were his patients. This refers to Dr. Krishnan. So his patients are very because he is a child specialist, right? So you can also able to remember whenever you went to hospital to treat for you, there will be a lot of two small kids. They used to always cry. If they put the injection, there will be lot of noise from the doctor's consulting room, right? So you can able to remember, just imagine that. So always this child specialist clinic will be too much of noisy, and this tiny children's of their his patients will be left out a variety of blood curdling yields. blood curdling curdling yields means ரத்தமே உறைஞ்சு போகிற அளவுக்கு வந்துட்டு there will be a lot of noise and ear splitting shapes. காது ஜவ்வே கிளியிற மாதிரிக்கு அவ்வளோ வந்துட்டு சத்தமாக இருக்கும். லைக் that they are explaining the child specialist clinic there. It's all because my patients were making so much noise and crying so loudly. He apologized to his wife one evening that Somu couldn't hear me properly. So in the first paragraph they have described about the doctor's clinic, how the doctor's clinic will be. So in the second stanza will much confusion. Please listen carefully. It's all because my patients were making so much noise and crying so loudly. He apologized to his wife one evening that Somu could not hear me properly. He rang me in the clinic to ask whether we could keep Zigzag with us when he leaves for Alaska. And now Somu thinks I said yes, even though I clearly said no. I know you are busy getting your painting ready for your exhibition next week. So this paragraph will be little confusing. I'll say you clearly. So in first paragraph they have described how the doctor's clinic will be. So the same continuation, see, it's all because my patients making so much noise and crying so loudly. So in the first two lines they are again he is explaining the same about the clinic only, because my patients are making too much of noise and crying loudly. He apologizes to his wife. So apologies means asking sorry. So he is asking sorry to his wife one evening. For what he is asking? See, we can see that Somu could not hear me properly, and also he is asking sorry, and he is saying the purpose for asking sorry. What means Somu, who is Somu? Somu is a friend of Dr. Ashok. So he is a friend of Dr. Ashok, right? So Somu could not hear me properly. So what he can't able to hear for me properly, we can see he rang me. So he rang me. So who he refers to? Somu. So Somu rang me means called me, அதாவது ஃபோனில் வந்து கால் பண்ணுறது. He called me in the clinic to ask. So when he was in the clinic, அதாவது டாக்டர் அசோக் வந்துட்டு கிளினிக்கில் இருக்க போகும்போது சோமு வந்து கால் பண்ணுறாங்க. He rang me in the clinic to ask whether we could keep Zigzag with us. So he called me and asked whether you could keep the Zigzag with you. I'll say you the meaning of Zigzag in coming. So Zigzag வந்து உன்னால் வச்சுக்க முடியுமா அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு Somu was asking to Dr. Ashok when he lives for Alaska. So ஏன் வந்து வச்சுக்க சொல்கிறாங்கன்னா he is living for Alaska. So Alaska is a place where it is located, means it is in US, in West United States தான் வந்துட்டு Alaska அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு place இருக்கு. So he is living there. Somu is living there. So when he is living, he is asking Dr. Ashok to keep the Zigzag with them. And now Somu thinks I said yes. And now Somu thinks. So they are having a phone conversation, right? So and now Somu thinks. Somuவே நினச்சிக்கிறான். I refers to Dr. Ashok. So I said yes. So நான் வந்துட்டு எஸ் சொன்னேன்னு சொல்லிட்டு சோமு நினச்சிக்கிறான். ஓகேவா? இவங்க வந்து கிளினிக்கில் இருக்க போகும்போது சோமு வந்து கால் பண்ணுறான். கால் பண்ணி என்ன சொல்கிற அப்படி, ஜிக்ஸாக் வந்து நீங்கள் வச்சுக்க முடியுமா, நான் வந்துட்டு அலாஸ்க்கு போக போகும்போது நீங்கள் வந்து ஜிக்ஸாக் நீங்கள் வச்சுக்க முடியுமா அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு கேட்குறாங்க. ஸோ இவங்களுக்கு வந்துட்டு என்ன சொல்கிறேன், அண்ட் நவ் சோமு திங்ஸ். சோமுவே நினச்சிக்கிறான். ஐ செட் எஸ், நான் வந்துட்டு அவனுக்கு சரி நானே அந்த ஜிக்ஸாக்கை வச்சுக்கிறேன் அப்படின்னு வந்துட்டு நான் எஸ் சொல்லிட்டேன்னு சொல்லி அவன் நினச்சிக்கிறான். ஈவன் தோ ஐ clearly said no. நான் நோன்னு தான் சொன்னேன், பட் அவனே வந்துட்டு என்ன நினச்சிக்கிட்டான், நான் வந்து எஸ் சொல்கிறேன்னு நினச்சிக்கிட்டான். ஏன் அப்படி நினச்சிக்கிட்டான்னா, ஹீ இஸ் இன் த கிளினிக் ரைட். ஸோ ஹீ கால்ட், இங்கே பாருங்க, he rang me in the clinic. So clinic is always much noise and it will be very crying, so loudly sound, and the sound la da irukum. So while they having their conversation, he can't able to hear me properly. Somu cannot hear me properly. So இதுக்கு தான் வந்துட்டு அவங்க ஒய்ஃப் கிட்ட வந்துட்டு அப்பாலஜிஸ் வந்து கேட்டுட்ருப்பாங்க. ஓகேவா டாக்டர் அசோக்? எதுக்கு வந்துட்டு அப்பாலஜிஸ் கேட்குறாங்கன்னா வந்துட்டு we can see the remaining story. Then only you can able to understand why he is asking apologies, why he is asking sorry to his wife. I know you are busy getting your painting ready for your exhibition next week. So again he's saying, he's asking sorry, and he is clearing what and all happened in the conversation, in the phone conversation. And he is saying that I can able to understand your, I refers to Dr. Ashok. So he is also saying, I can able to understand your situation because you are preparing for painting exhibition for the next week. So he is asking apologies. I hope you have understood this paragraph. Zigzag interrupted their 9-year-old daughter Maya. So in character sketch itself we saw the name Maya. So Maya is the daughter of Dr. Ashok and Mrs. Ashok. So now Maya is 9 years old daughter, on the 9 years old girl. She is interrupting their conversation and asking zigzag. So zigzag வந்து புதுசாக கேட்குறாங்க, அது என்னதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு கேட்குறாங்க. Isn't that Uncle Somu's prized giant green and gold fighting beetle? The one that spit deadly poison straight into its opponent's eye. So he interrupted their conversation. Actually Dr. Ashok and Mrs. Ashok are having a conversation about this, and his daughter Maya is interrupting and asking what is Siddharth. She asked, and she itself giving the explanation about the Siddharth. So she is assuming that Uncle Somu's prized. So Somu uncle's, that Siddharth is giant. Giant means big. Giant means big. It will be a big green and gold color fighting beetle. Beetle means it is an insect, that is a vandu maar irukum illaya, that is called as beetle. So here she is assuming that it is a big green and gold color fighting beetle, and what it will do, it will spitna துப்புறது சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, so that is called. So and that one, so that beetle used to spit a deadly poison, கொடூரமான விஷத்தை வந்து என்ன பண்ணும், straight into the opponent's eye. அதாவது நம்மளுக்கு யார் எதிர்க்க இருக்காங்களோ அவங்க கண்ணிலே வந்துட்டு என்ன பண்ணிடும், அந்த கொடூரமான பாய்சனை வந்து துப்பிடும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு she is assuming what is zigzag. No, corrected her older brother Aravind. So the Aravind is the son of Dr. Ashok and Mrs. Ashok. So he is Ashok is saying that no. He is saying no. Eyes shining in pure delight. So in a very happy manner. Delight means happy. In a very happy manner he is saying no. It can't be like that. The battle is called as Spitfire. He is saying that the beetle is called as Spitfire, and he is saying that zigzag must be Uncle Somu's pet snake. So Maya said that it could be a beetle, and his son, that is Aravind is assuming that zigzag can be a pet snake of Somu. The African side vendor, you know, the one that slither zigzag all over his house. So he is assuming that Sigdar could be a pet snake for Somu uncle. So I think so it is an African sidewinder. So African sidewinder is a kind of snake. ஒரு வகையான snake தான் வந்துட்டு African sidewinder. And also he is saying that it used to roam around the house of Somu's house. Okay va. So that only he is assuming. Okay va. Maya is assuming that as a beetle, and it used to spit deadly poison in opponent's eyes. And now Aravind is assuming that it could be a pet snake for him, that is African sidewinder. On hearing that, on hearing this conversation, you are both quite mistaken. You are both quite mistaken. Their father hesitant to explain, seeing his wife's horrified expression. So, by hearing this explanation given by Maya and Aravind, his father, whose father, Dr. Ashok is the father of Maya and Aravind, right? So, their father had hesitant to explain, seeing his wife horrified expression. So by hearing this all explanation, Mrs. Ashok is very much fearful and afraid. Horrified expression means ரொம்ப பயந்து போய் இருக்காங்க. By seeing this itself, Ashok is very hastened to explain what it is. So now he is explaining what is zigzag. So zigzag is a most harmless, unusual and lovable bird. So he is explaining that zigzag is the most harmless, அதாவது எதுவுமே வந்துட்டு யாரையுமே எதுவுமே செய்யாத. ஹார்ம்லெஸ்னால் என்னது, தொந்தரவு பண்ணாமல் இருக்குது. ஹார்ம்லெஸ் விளைவுகள் ஏற்படுத்தாது. ஸோ இட் இஸ் மோஸ்ட் ஹார்ம்லெஸ், அன்யூஷுவல். இட் இஸ் unusual means different. It is not common. It is not habitual. So we will say no, it will be different, and it is also a lovable bird. So he is saying that zigzag is a lovable bird. Apparently it was bred by a genuine African witch doctor who gifted it to Somu when he being a child specialist like me. And also see, apparently and also apparently means like this also. It was breed means grow. It was breed means grow. It was grown by a genuine African witch doctor. Genuine African witch doctor. So witch doctor means, you know the meaning of witch. Witch means magic. Witch doctor means who is practicing magic is called as a witch doctor. So this zigzag has been grown by a genuine African witch doctor who gifted to Somu. So with this witch doctor only gifted the zigzag to Somu when he being a child specialist like me. So actually Mr. Som is also a doctor like Dr. Ashok. So he is also a child specialist only. When he being a child specialist like me cured the witch doctor's son while he was touring the deepest jungles of equatorial Africa last month. So last month he had toured, that is he had traveled. Touring na travel பண்றது. He had traveled to equatorial Africa in the deepest jungle. He had traveled to deepest jungle in the equatorial Africa. So during that time he had treated witch doctor's son. And for the treatment only, witch doctor had gifted Somu the zigzag. Now we can able to understand, I think so. Somu says the bird is an absolute treasure and a rare real help. It's his favorite pet, you know. So these are all the conversation given by Dr. Ashok to Mrs. Ashok. So he is explaining about the zigzag. So zigzag is gifted by a witch doctor to Somu. For what means Somu had treated witch doctor's son. So in gift of that only he is he is given, witch doctor has given a gift as a zigzag. So also, Somu is saying that it is a absolute treasure for him. It is absolute treasure means it is a valuable gift for him, and also it is a real help. It will help them, and also he is saying that it is a favorite pet for Somu, and it is very much helpful for him. So these are all the explanation given. He is convincing, that is Dr. Ashok is convincing Mrs. Ashok. Now Mrs. Ashok is giving explanation. See, mm, Somu might be your friend, but most of these so-called favorite possessions that he has given us were absolutely nuisance, countered Mrs. Krishnan angrily. So now that is Mrs. Krishnan means Mrs. Ashoka. So Ashok's full name is Ashok T. Krishnan, right? So Mrs. Ashok. So Mrs. Ashok is very angry and saying to Dr. Ashok that Somu could be your friend, okay, but whatever he gave as favorite to us. So how means சோமு வந்துட்டு உங்களோட ஃப்ரெண்டாக இருக்கலாம், பட் ஃபேவரட்னு சொல்லிட்டு உங்களுக்கு கொடுத்ததெல்லாம், நம்மளுக்கு கொடுத்தது எல்லாமே இஸ் எவ்ரி திங் ஹேஸ் கிவன் அஸ் வேர் அப்சல்யூட் நான்சென்ஸ். இஸ் ஆல்வேஸ் வில் பி ஏ இரிட்டேட்டிங் ஒன். அவர் என்ன நம்மளுக்கு கொடுத்தாலுமே வந்துட்டு அது இரிட்டேட் பண்ணுற வைக்கிற மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். இட் வில் ஓன்ட் பி ஹாப்பி ஒன், கவுண்டட் மிஸ்ஸஸ் கிருஷ்ணன் ஆங்கிரிலி. A talented artist, he applied a dab yellow orchard paint onto her painting titled Sunset at Marina, paused for a moment to survey the effect, and then continued. So while she is painting only, he is hearing that conversation, and also he is giving the counters to the Dr. Ashok. So while she is painting, she had a little pause and she is seeing her painting. அவங்க வரைஞ்சிட்டு போகும்போது என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, லிட்டில் பாஸ் எடுத்துட்டா, பேசிக்கிட்டே தான் வரைகிறாங்க. ஷீ டுக் அ லிட்டில் பாஸ் ஃபார் அ மூமெண்ட். ஷீ டுக் அ பாஸ் மீன்ஸ் ஸ்டாப், கொஞ்சம் ஒரு மூமெண்ட், ஃபார் அ மூமெண்ட், கொஞ்சம் நிமிஷத்துக்கு என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிவிட்டு ஷீ இஸ் ஓவர் வியூவிங் ஹர் painting. What he is painting means, the title of the painting is Sunset at Marina. அதாவது மெரினா பீச் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அங்கே வந்துட்டு சன்செட் ஆக போகும்போது அந்த இடம் எப்படி இருக்குமோ she is painting that location in her painting. So she is having a look on that, and then she again continuing the speech, survey of the effect, and then continued. Remember the rare insects. So she is continuing the conversation to Dr. Ashok. Remember the rare insect eating plant he brought back from the wettest corner of the Amazon rainforest. He insisted that we keep it because it would eat the mosquitoes in the house, and now the wrenched planet require a room heater to keep it alive in Chennai. So remember, she is saying that remember, once he gave insect eating planet, that is அதாவது insect plant தான், insect வந்துட்டு சாப்பிட்றது, ஓகேவா, he gave like that. So what it happened, where he brought it from the wettest corner of the Amazon rainforest. So Amazon wettest corner means it will be very cool, it will be very chilly. So it will be very the climate will be very chill. So he brought from there the insect eating planet. He gave to Dr. Ashok. For what he gave means, that planet, it used to eat mosquitoes. So it is used to eat insects, right? Then mosquitoes are also insects, so it can able to, that plant can able to eat mosquitoes. So he gave that, but what use of that, she is asking. The house, and now the wrenched planet, requires a room heater to keep it alive in the Chennai, because the climate in the Amazon rainforest and in Chennai is different. So the planet is not adapted to Chennai climate. So that what she is explaining to Dr. Ashok. Ma protested Aravind. So Ma protested Aravind. Now this conversation is having right now. Aravind is arguing. Protested means arguing. That's not really true. அதெல்லாம் வந்துட்டு உண்மை கிடையாது. Aravind started to speak against to Mrs. Ashok and saying that it's not really true. Uncle Somu's given us so really fabulous gifts. So Uncle Somu given us some real ஃபேப்லஸ் கிஃப்ட்ஸ். எல்லாமே நீங்கள் சொல்கிறது எல்லாமே வந்துட்டு வேஸ்ட்டுன்னு சொல்ல முடியாது. அந்த சோமு அங்கிள் வந்துட்டு நம்மளுக்கு வந்துட்டு நிறைய ஃபேப்லஸ் கிஃப்ட்ஸும் வந்துட்டு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு அரவிந்த் இஸ் சேயிங் டு மிஸ்ஸஸ் அசோக். ரைட், ரிமெம்பர் த டைனி pen knife he gave me last year, the one which genuine shark tooth blade that's been really useful. Maya joined the protest. So he is saying that some of the valuable gifts also is given by Somu uncle only. Like that Aravind is arguing to his Mrs. Ashok, and also Aravind is saying that, right, remember the tiny penleaf. Remember the tiny penleaf. I'll show you the picture of a tiny penleaf. So you can see this is a tiny pen. This is the tiny pen knife. This is a tiny pen knife. So Uncle Somu only gave me a tiny pen knife he had given me last year. That one is it is a sharp tooth blade. அதாவது நல்ல ஷார்ப்பாக இருக்கும். It has been really useful. Maya joined the protest. So while this argument is going on between Aravind and Mrs. Ashok, Maya, that is a daughter of Mr. Ashok and Mrs. Ashok, is joining the protest, that is arguing. அந்த ஆர்கியூவிங் வந்துட்டு இவங்களும் வந்துட்டு ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கிறாங்க. No one but you. So he joined, right, for that Krishnan, that is Mrs. Ashok is giving reply to Maya. No one but you. See, I am reading. No one but you, Maya, won't describe a pen knife that has cut open the pockets of 3 skirts and 2 pair of jeans as really useful, told her daughter strangely, Mrs. Krishnan. So likewise only have to read this paragraph. See, once again I'll read this. No one but you said no one but you, Maya, Mrs. Krishnan, would describe a pen knife that has opened up the cut open the packets of 3 skirts and 2 pair of jeans as really useful, told her daughter sternly. So what she is saying, what Mrs. Ashok, that is Mrs. Krishnan, is saying means no one. So you two joining the argue, like that she is asking and saying that the tiny pen knife has cut open, அதாவது கிழிஞ்சிருக்குது, குத்தி கிழிக்கிறது, has cut open the packets of 3 skirts. 3 ஸ்கர்ட்டோட பாக்கெட்ஸை வந்துட்டு என்ன பண்ணிருச்சு, கிழிச்சிருச்சு. அண்ட் 2 pair of ஜீன்ஸையும் வந்துட்டு கிழிஞ்சிருச்சு. ஸோ இதுதான் வந்துட்டு ரியலி யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஷீ இஸ் ஆஸ்கிங் வெரி in angry manner to her daughter. And what about the abnormal boomerang Uncle Somu brought us all the way from Australia? And now returning, now same Mrs. Ashok only is explaining everything. Now this paragraph is saying to Aravind, ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்து மாயாவை திட்டாங்க, என்ன அந்த பென் நைஃப் வந்துட்டு உனக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா, அது வந்துட்டு என்னாச்சு, அதாவது 3 ஸ்கர்ட்டோட பாக்கெட்ஸை வந்து கிழிச்சிருச்சு, அது இல்லாமல் 2 ஜீன்ஸையும் கிழிஞ்சிருச்சு, இதுதான் உனக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கேட்டுட்டு நெக்ஸ்ட் ஷீ இஸ் டர்னிங் டு அரவிந்த் அண்ட் ஆஸ்கிங் தட் வாட் அபவுட் த அப்நார்மல் பூமராங் Uncle Somu bought us from away from Australia. Demanded Aravind. Demandedனா கேள்வி கேட்குறாங்க, அரவிந்த் வந்து கேள்வி கேட்குறாங்க. யூ கான் டினே இட் தட் இட் வாஸ் அ கிரேட் ஹிட் வித் எவ்ரி ஒன். நீ இதை வந்துட்டு பெரிய கிரேட் ஹிட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு நீ வந்துட்டு இதை டினே, அதாவது தவிர்க்கவே முடியாது அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஷீ இஸ் ஆர்கிங் வித் அரவிந்த். ஸோ வாட் மீன்ஸ் பூமராங். ஐல் ஷோ யூ த பிக்சர் ஆஃப் பூமராங். So this is the picture of boomerang. So it is actually it will be made up of wood only, but nowadays it is made up of any materials. So this is the speciality is where if you are standing in a position, if you are throwing this boomerang, it will return to you in the same place. So that is called as, அதாவது நீங்கள் இங்கேருந்து தூக்கி எஞ்சிங்கன்னா திருப்பி உங்ககிட்டே வந்துடும். That is called as boomerang. I hope you everybody know that. And Mrs. Ashok is saying that once he brought the boomerang from Australia, it made a great hit for everyone. இது எல்லாமே என்ன பண்ணிருச்சு, இது பெரிய வந்துட்டு எல்லாத்துக்கும் பெரிய தலைவலியே கொடுத்துருச்சு. What that boomerang made we can see, great hit in need. Great hit in need. என்ன great hit in need na, Mrs. Krishnan didn't bother about to hide her sarcasm. சார்கசம் மீன்ஸ் ஹைட் த ட்ரூத், அதாவது அந்த ட்ரூத்தை வந்து ஹைட் பண்ணுறது இல்லாமல் எதுவுமே உண்மை சொல்கிறதுக்கு கொஞ்சம் கூட பயப்படாமல் உண்மையே சொல்லிட்டாங்க. அண்ட் கண்டினியூட், கன்சிடரிங் தட் பூமரங் ஸ்லைஸ்ட் த்ரோ ஆல் த டிவி ஏரியல்ஸ் இன் அவர் நெய்பர்ஹுட் caused permanent damage to several cars in the parking lot and knocked out our watchman's cold with the force you threw it. So what a great hit. And the boomerang வந்துட்டு என்னென்னலாம் பண்ணுச்சுன்னா, the boomerang had sliced many of the TVs in the neighborhood houses, and also many of the windows of the cars that is parked in the parking slot, and also it had hit very forcefully, அதாவது கோல்டு, வாட்ச்மேன் கோல்டு அப்படின்னா வந்துட்டு ரொம்ப ஃபோர்ஸாக வந்துட்டு அவங்க மேலே வந்துட்டு பட்டுருச்சு. ஸோ தீஸ் வாட் கைண்ட் ஆஃப் ஹேஸ் ஹேப்பன் டியூ டு தட் boomerang. She is explaining to Aravind. But zigzag is different. Now Dr. Ashok is convincing Mrs. Ashok. So before two is, one is said to Maya and one is said to Aravind by Mrs. Ashok, but this paragraph is convincing paragraph to Mrs. Ashok. But zigzag is different. So who is saying this? டாக்டர் அசோக் என்ன சொல்கிறாரு மிஸ்ஸஸ் அசோக்கிட்ட, அப்படிலாம் இருக்காது, ஜிக்ஸாக் வந்துட்டு கொஞ்சம் டிஃப்ரெண்ட். சோமு சேஸ் வி ஆர் ஷுர் டு லவ் ஜிக்ஸாக். சோமு வந்துட்டு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க இது வந்துட்டு கண்டிப்பாக எல்லாத்துக்கும் பிடிக்கும். ஸ்மூத் அண்ட் டாக்டர் கிருஷ்ணன், அதாவது ஹீ இஸ் கன்வின்சிங் டாக்டர் கிருஷ்ணன் because the bird can talk and sing in about 21 different languages, mostly African languages, of course. When it sings, it moves the listener to the tears. So what smoothen convince Dr. Krishnan is smoothening, because what and all he is saying and convincing means the bird can talk and sing in 21 different languages, mostly in African. When it sings, when the bird sings, it will make the readers to cry. அது பாட போகும்போதே நம்மளுக்கெல்லாம் கண்ணில் தண்ணி வந்துடும், அந்த அளவுக்கு வந்துட்டு பாடும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு டாக்டர் அசோக் இஸ் கன்வின்சிங் மிஸ்ஸஸ் அசோக். It's Somu's thoughtless ways that reduced me to tears. It's Somu's thoughtless ways. So it's Somu's thoughtless ways means now this paragraph is spoken by Mrs. Ashok. Mrs. Ashok தான் வந்துட்டு சொல்கிறாங்க. So she is saying that it's someless thoughtless ways. Thoughtlessனால் வந்துட்டு சிந்திக்க தெரியாதவங்க, வித்தவுட் திங்க், அதாவது எதுவுமே வந்துட்டு இதுதான் நடக்கும் ஒரு இதுதான் நடக்கும்னு யோசிக்காமல் பண்ணிடுவாங்க இல்லையா. ஸோ ஷீ இஸ் இன்சிஸ்டிங் சோமு லைக் தட். சோமுஸ் தாட்லெஸ் வேஸ் தட் ரெடியூஸ் மீ டு டியர்ஸ். ஸோ அவரோட எதுவுமே யோசிக்காமல் பண்ணதில் நான் என்ன தான் அழுக வச்சிருக்கு. மிஸ்ஸஸ் கிருஷ்ணன் செட் இரிட்டேட்டபிளி. மிஸ்ஸஸ் கிருஷ்ணன் இஸ் சேயிங் இன் வெரி ஆங்க்ரி மேனர். வாட் அ டைம் டு டம்ப் திஸ் மல்டிலிங்குவல் டாக்கிங் சிங்கிங் பேர்ட் ஆன் அஸ். ஸோ இந்த டைமில் வாட் அ டைம் டு டம்ப், இந்த டைமில் நம்மக்கிட்ட ஏன் திணிக்கிறாங்க. இந்த மல்டிலிங்குவல்னால் வந்துட்டு பல மொழிகள் பேசும் இல்லையா. ஸோ இட் குட் சிங் அண்ட் டாக் இன் 21 different languages and right. So that is only multilingual. So why they are dumping this zigzag bird in this time, that is it can able to sing and talk, no. So why they are dumping in this time, because this time ஏன் இந்த டைம்னு சொல்கிறாங்கன்னா, here I am tied up, in knots trying to get my painting together for the exhibition next week. Because next week வந்துட்டு Mrs. Ashok is having a painting exhibition and she is getting ready for that. So this time if he gets a pet inside means it will be a great trouble for her, right. So this was this was her intention about that zigzag. So I hope you have understood the story. Let us stop here. The remaining part of the story will be continued in next class. Thank you.